must have seen the video of how I found out I was pregnant last night. Right now I just left the office and I'm rushing to the hospital. So my husband and I were supposed to shoot a video for YouTube today. And I told him I'm just going to come during my lunch break so we could do it. But instead of showing him the stick, I actually want to branch out a lab close to my office and house and do a blood test so I can give him in form of a letter. I'm still not sure how I'm going to, give it to him. Maybe I'm going to give him while we're supposed to sit down and be filming the video. I'm not sure, and I'll try as much as possible to get it on camera. My husband is dramatic, so you might see him running away. Anyway, I'm almost at the lab now, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'm excited about it myself. So see you later. Bye. I am home now. I am home. And it's about to happen, guys. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. The guy was like, oh, it's faint. I'm like, my brand is due today, so it should be thick. Why I'm so excited. See? Positive. You can see pregnancy test. Now let us go and surprise Bae. See, I've gone to this same lab like the last 2 months, so this is the 3rd time consecutively. And in my mind I was like, the woman already be looking at you like, but look at God. Just look at God. This is God, guys. This is God. Okay, let's go. I'm just going to, so what I did is I folded it and I'm putting it in my pocket, so that's what I'm going to give him from. Yes. You have to stop eating what you're eating. People have to go back to work. Did you know you will break your fast before? And your lips are so white. Not so, but it's white. Hey, like this. Because I don't want you to got this in my mouth, even though I just had it. What's that? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Let me see your brush. You brush your head. You don't know you brush this one.
It's not brushable. It's spiky.
Take lip balm.
Oh gosh, you were informed me before now that you don't want the taste of yogurt.
Can you take lip balm?
You don't want the taste of yogurt in your mouth.
Okay.
Now give me.
I hear you all sleep today. Don't be me and you. Hi guys.
Reduce the soprano small.
Hi guys.
No. It's too much.
Hi guys. It's too high.
A little more high. A little higher.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning. Can we make this video?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Before we make the video, wait, stick. I told you guys, Mama will run away. Yes, thank you, Jesus. You should have seen me last night. How did I sleep without telling you? I'm so wondering. Let me like this thing back. I scattered the whole place. I cried. You're smiling. He wants, guys. time when you face me, your wife? Have you finished your Thanksgiving to God?
Wow.
What's going through your mind? I know. I found out last night. Guess what? I told you I did the test. It's that same test. I already threw it. Did you see that bio oil stuff in the trash? I'm gonna bring it for you. I already threw it away. Yesterday night when I now cleaned my makeup, I said let me even just check it again. I just checked. I said very faint, like it is the faintest line, but it was there. I just started saying, wait. I know that I slept. I didn't want to tell you. You need to be a daddy before 30. I'm gonna bring it. I was just start to bring it, but you were just in my face now in the room. I'm coming. What was going through your mind when I gave you the letter? Talk, Joe. What was going through your mind? Dog, what was going through your mind? See, because I didn't want you to know I did the test initially. So I just put it and threw it away. Yesterday night when I now threw that thing away. Because I did that last month. I went back to it and it was negative. So I'm like, whatever. So I now took it. I just looked. Can you see it?
I can't even see it. Wait. This is one. This is,
Exactly.
It's like the faintest
It's
line.
the ever. I'm like, wait, and then a lot of things I've heard actually just started running through my mind, like, this is it, this line will not come. And it makes sense because my period was not even due yesterday, it was meant to be today. And then before I came home now, I went to the hospital.
That same hospital?
Yes. And the guy was happy for me. He said his baby was 5 months old. So it was the exact same thing that happened.
Wow.
God is good, right? God is good, right? You're shook. Why are you shook? How do you feel? Baba here.
Well, you have mind though.
Right, yeah, I
And you slept beside me.
I know, right? I'm like, I even said I did a video yesterday, so I'm like, I pray that.
Did you even plan to do a video today with me? Or this was just...
Well, I planned to, but I just said I was going to do this first before we do the video. I cried, I screamed. I'm going to show you the clip. I love you like that. He was like, did you do a test before? I said yes, I did a test last night. It was very faint. He now said, you sitting on the floor, come. He now said, okay, that's when you do a test and then you come to the hospital, even though it's still faint, because it makes sense now because your period is due today, even though it's still faint, doctors will call this strong positive because you've gotten positive on pregnancy and positive on blood. So say strong positive. say it, that's you. You have not even hugged me. Oh, the work has started for you. Or you could be a carer. I even drove to work today because this is the month that I've even, like, you know now, I've said whatever God is going to do it, he's going to do it. Do you know how many pinkberry I've taken this month? I see it in Kobe. Like, I've carried heavy stuff, and then see every time I do something and I'm like, okay, that was tough, I will now think that maybe it's God's child, God will keep his child. It's been amazing, and I'm happy to start this new parenthood journey with you. Why are you keeping quiet now? Let's not film our video. Let's not film our video.
You want to give me the envelope?
You did boots.
I knew. Like I just fake. You notice I flung. Like I just wanted to get to it. I flung the envelope itself. As I just flung it, unwrapped.
I don't know if people can see you. They're sitting on the phone. No. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, come, let's film our
Okay, yeah, let's film our video.
Let's film our video.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I don't know, I've never felt this way before, obviously. I feel great. Daddy. Maybe daddy. Congrats.
You told anybody?
No. Only the guy that did the test, no. And anyway, let's end this one first. You guys will probably see this when our baby is born. But wishes well. Thank you. I pulled it off. Yes. Bye.
You try. Let me not lie. See the way I was jumping over chair. I was not even afraid I would fall down.
Baba, I say bye to people.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.